In the beginning, God prepared a place of perfect beauty for the man he had created. This place was called the Garden of Eden. It was rich and peaceful, filled with every kind of tree that was pleasing to the eye and good for food. The air was gentle, the land was alive with color, and everything in the garden reflected the goodness of God. From Eden flowed for great rivers, carrying life far beyond the garden's borders. These rivers watered the land, nourishing the soil and making it fruitful. Wherever the waters flowed, life followed, showing that Eden was not only a home, but a source of blessing for the whole world. At the very center of the garden stood two special trees. One was the tree of life, a symbol of God's gift of life and fellowship with Him. As long as Adam lived in harmony with God, life flowed freely and abundantly. Nearby stood the tree of the knowledge of good and evil. This tree was different. It represented choice, obedience, and trust. God had placed it there not as a trap, but as a reminder that love must be chosen freely. God placed Adam in the Garden of Eden with a purpose. Adam was given responsibility to work the garden and take care of it. He was not a slave to the land, but a steward trusted to protect, nurture, and rule with wisdom. The garden flourished under his care. Then God gave Adam clear and loving instructions. He told Adam that he was free to eat from every tree in the garden, except the tree of the knowledge of good and evil. God warned him that disobedience would bring death, not to frighten him, but to guide him toward life. To deepen Adam's role, God brought all the animals to him. One by one, creatures of every kind passed before Adam: wild animals, gentle livestock, and birds of the air. Adam named the animals, and each name reflected understanding and authority. Through this task, Adam learned the order of creation and his place within it. As Adam lived in Eden, surrounded by beauty, guided by God's word, and entrusted with responsibility, the garden stood as a picture of perfect harmony between God and humanity. Humanity and creation and life lived in obedience and peace. And in that garden, everything was exactly as God intended it to be.